Hello everyone, welcome back to BuddyDevelopers. I'm Naveen, and in this video I'm going to show you one popular directory website in India, and we're going to see how you can develop that website in WordPress. So let's start. This is the website, guys, called JustDial.com, and it's a very popular directory website here in India. It covers almost all kind of categories that you can see here, from AC services to astrology, body massage, spa, car hire, dental, hospitals, directory for lawyers, coaching, for printer and publishing, for dentist. I think almost all kind of local businesses categories it cover, and hence, almost all the local businesses out here are registered in justdial.com. The popularity of this website is so much here in India. Like if you search for anything, for example, if I search for gym near Dehradun is a city where I live. So after the Google business listing, the first website that comes up is justdial.com. And I've seen that people prefer more to check the data from justdial.com instead of the Google listing, because they feel it, JustDial is more authenticated, because a company is running for a company is managing the entire business listing of the businesses. So this website have lots of features, like which is needed for a directory website. For example, you see the voice search, and there are many more things to which we can learn from this directory website, this very popular directory website. So like, what's their business model, what's their story, how they grown so much. So we all, all these things we're going to discuss. And so if you're planning to create a directory website, or if you have a directory website, then justdial.com could be a great, ideal website from where we can look up to the features and their story. So we have conducted a live session which going to be held on this weekend. So if you are free this weekend at the given time, then you can, let me know your RVSP. So basically we're gonna do a case study on JustDial. We're gonna see what's their story, how they grown so much, and what's their business model, how they actually making money. So all these things we're gonna discuss in that case study, which going to be live this weekend. So show me your RBSP. Like if you are coming, then just click on this notify me button, and I will better prepare for the live session. So basically, if you see this website, there is a huge team working behind, and a very big development team is working behind this website. So replicating each and every feature of this website is not possible. Honestly, it's very time consuming. Not possible, I cannot say, but it will be very time consuming. So this is what we have developed in WordPress, which is a replica of the JustDial. We call it Just Try. And in this website we have used Elementor and Geodirectory. So basically we try to replicate all the directory kind of features in this website with minimum effort. With very less technical knowledge, you can build your directory website like justdial.com. So how you can do this. So we have made it very easy. If you go to BuddyDevelopers.com and you go to product section, here if you will scroll, you will find some themes, and here we have listed called Elementor JustDial directory. You can check this demo. You will be landed to this page. If you want to try it, if you want to download this demo, then you can just click on the download button, fill up this form, and our team will contact you. So as I said, this website is fully developed using Elementor and Geodirectory. So I'm just quickly gonna show you from the backend. So as you can see here, this is my WordPress backend for this website. And if I go to plugin section, then there are several other plugins, but mostly Elementor and Elementor Pro and Directory, Geodirectory plugin is used for creating this entire directory website. And we are using some add-ons of Geodirectory, like the advanced search add-on, and get paid is for payment related things. there is get paid advertising. It's a get paid is again a IO code plugin, the same company which is behind Geodirectory plugin, so you can check this plugin too. So it's a very interesting plugin that will help you to manage the payment for your listings and your directory websites. And then we have several common plugin like Ninja Form for maintaining the contact form and used for SEO, and we have Users WP for the user profile. So if you like this website, you like the feature of this website, just check this demo first. And if you like this website, like if I go to places, this is how the archive places look like with map on the right hand side. If I click on any business listing, then this is how the business listing looks like, and everything is managed using Elementor templates, using Elementor Pro page builder. So you don't need any technical knowledge to manage this website. If you want to successfully import our professional template demo, you will first need access to GeoBuddy. To get access, simply select and purchase one of our exclusive membership plans. First, go to our official website, WP GeoBuddy, then navigate to the membership page. From there, purchase any one of the available plans. Once you have purchased a plan and set everything up on your WordPress site, you will see a user interface like this. When you navigate to the template library section, you will find our demo template waiting for you. Simply click the import button, and with just one click, the entire demo template will be imported into your website. Now let me show you how to install and activate it. First, log in to your WordPress dashboard and go to Plugins arrow add new. Search for GeoBuddy. Once our plugin appears, click install now and then activate it. After activation, you will automatically be redirected to the Welcome to GeoBuddy page, which is the main settings page. Here you will find all the available settings. After purchasing your plan, you will receive a unique license key. Simply paste that license key into the designated field and activate it. Once the license is activated, you will be able to import all the available premium templates and access other features. Just agree to the terms and continue. We have also provided a direct link to this page in the video description below. You can visit it and purchase a subscription plan directly. Along with access to the demo templates, you will also unlock a variety of additional GeoBuddy features. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you learned something new today. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And we have a live session on case study of JustDial.com this weekend. So show me your RVSP and see you this weekend. Bye bye. We also provide directory site development services. So if you need a customized solution for your directory website, we can help you. You can hire us at BuddyDevelopers.com by clicking on the Hire Us button. You can also follow us on other social media channels. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such WordPress educational videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.